Hey guys, what's up? So first I am lining my lips with a brown pencil. So you can use your eye pencil even, as long as it looks good. You can use anything to line your lips. So I'm first building the line, how much bigger I want you, as much as I prefer. I am in this line, so how much bigger you want your lips, that much upper you can fill it. So I am just overlining my lips in the middle and matching my lip line in the same in the corner. I am not overlining my corners because then it will look fake. So I have just bordered it bigger in the middle portion, both in the upper and lower. Then I am today filling it with a much lighter and pinkier shade because I want to be it look natural. So first I am going to fill it in with a brush, because if I directly use a pigmented lipstick like that, it will be more in somewhere and less in somewhere. So I have started to walk with my brush, and I am walking it like I am airbrushing my lips and filling in my gaps. And I'm trying as much as generous and be simple, and as much as less product I can use, because if you are using too much product, it will look unhealthy and fake, and because it will look tappy as well. So first we are going to plump the lips with the color. So we will fill it generously everywhere. We are going to fill it with the brush, and we are just following the line in our corners. We are not overlining that thing, because your lip is obviously joining in the same points. If you do the overlining there as well, it will look fake. So after filling my lips, I am going in with the highlighter on just on my upper lips to mix the contour of the eye pencil. And then in the sides of my mouth, I'm going to use a concealer, so nothing will look darker and everything will look much seamless and mixed in my skin, and nothing will look fake. So I am just blending it with my finger, because your finger gives you much more pigment than a sponge or a brush. Just like this. So you can end it up here, but I'm taking it to the next level, and I am lining my lips with my contour. And I have taken my contour color in a brush, and I am lining my lips with it. So I am just getting a little longer on my lips line and joining it with my upper lips and then the lower lips. That is basically the processing of your mouth, which will be a little more plumper. Obviously is a little more wider in your mouth. So don't do it more than this, or it will end up looking like kuchi saki. So be really natural, use a really natural contour shade. And this is how I am done. Just for comparison, I have also added my before picture of my lips, so you can compare. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.